What's good, folks? It's your boy Dookie back again with B.A.N.G. Budget and new gear reviews to help you get the best bang for your tech dollars. I got me some Bluetooth speakers here. We're going to open these up and see what's good. They were sent over by the good folks of Mifa. You see in the background here, I got the legendary Oontz. I got the Angle 3 over here, the Angle 3 Plus. You know, I feel like these are kind of mimicked after them. So we're going to see what's good. They got some different designs though. Like if you're not feeling the plain black of the Angle 3 and the Angle 3 Plus, you might be rocking with the designs and the feelings of these. You know, the box is nice. They got this Just Enjoy on here. So we're going to pop these open and see what's good. Now, I haven't actually pulled them out of the box, but I did pop the tape on it so I didn't struggle on the camera. So let's do that. We'll start with this one first. So, let's pull that out. Okay, we got this red one. Get that out of here. Oh, and you know what? It does, you know, bear a somewhat resemblance to the Oontz. Here, let's see. You know, it's got the same triangle design. It's got the same triangle design. We're going to see if it's actually any good. You know, a lot of people come check out this. A lot of people come check out my video on the Oontz. You know, whether you like it or not, it's people who do. So here, let's see. All right, across the top here, we got a power button. It's really hard to tell, even when I'm looking directly at it. But you got a power button, your Bluetooth, you got your play and pause, you got your plus and minus. That'll be for changing the volume and changing track. Around here on the side, pull this to the little side right there. So you got your standard micro USB, you got your auxiliary port, and you can also put in an SD card if you don't want to use Bluetooth or anything like that. Close that up. Let's see what's on the other side. Nothing. On the bottom here, you got these. Oh, it's almost little suction cups. Can you see that? Yeah, little suction cups. Let's see. Nah, they don't. Wow, they do. They kind of stick a little bit. It's not going to, like, it's going to keep it from jumping around, I guess, and, you know, light rumble, but anybody is not going to keep it there. Anybody can just come through and pick it up and, you know, be good to go. Got a little Mifa branding here across the front. This is your speaker grill. You also got one here on the back. So, yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see what else comes in the box. Should be your standard. Oh, wow. Yeah, you got a nice little cable to go with that. And you got these yellow in tape. You got these yellow cables. So, you got your auxiliary cable, 3.5 millimeter cable, and you got your USB-C micro cable. So you know what those are. Nice little touch. I like that. That is not your plain standard cables. Let's put that up. Here, let's pull this other one out. Now I know this one should be really different. You know, that's just the red. This one should be a little bit even more. Y'all can already see it. You can already see it. Let's go. Boom. You got the nice graffiti design. That looks good. Let's see. It looks to be different. Is it different or is it the same? Yeah, it looks to be different here on the back. I'm not mad at that. These are pretty nice looking. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to play some music. We're going to get them connected and see how they really sound. All right, folks, we're back. I got to go ahead and put this out in the world because I don't want no bad karma. But I just did the whole second half of this video without my microphone turned on. So it was just sound. It was just nothing happening. But let me tell you real quick before we go any further, some quick stats and specs about these speakers. Now, right now, you can get them on Amazon for about $29.99 each. But if you look across here, I'm going to flash a code for my viewers to save 10%. and that'll be to the end of the year. So get on that. If you're looking for these for a gift for yourself, for anybody like that, make sure you get on it, especially after we hear it. I'm gonna let you guys hear it so you can tell if it's even worth it. These have a built-in 2200 milliamp hour rechargeable battery that should get you up to 16 hours of play. That's usually if you have it at 50% when you're playing it. They do have a built-in microphone so you can use them as a speakerphone, and they're IP45 dust-proof and water resistant, which means you could get them wet. You're out in the rain, maybe, you know, somebody spills some water on it, things like that. But don't go dunking this, don't drop it in the toilet, anything like that, and expect it to still be working. Now, they got a lot of marketing material that says it's the greatest speaker in the world. We're just gonna let you guys hear it and determine for yourself. I know this isn't the most professional or scientific, you know, review will always say that, but you should be able to get an idea of how it sounds. So we're gonna go with this one right here since I already had it paired. I got it at full volume. I'm gonna turn the mic around and we're gonna get into it. All right, I've turned the mic around. We're gonna try some Ryan Little. Amazing producer, man. He's got a lot of dope stuff. You've heard his beats and my stuff. You probably heard it all over the internet in the background of videos and all of that. So right now he's on a 30-day challenge. Let's see, he's doing like a beat a day, you know, for the month of December. All right, let's try beat 7 and see what's good. Okay. All right. Woo! Yeah! Boy, you better. Oh. Okay, you definitely can hear. I got it at full volume. It's trying to pump that bass. Okay. So I definitely got it at full volume, and you can tell that, you know, it's a little distorted at full volume on the bass, but it does pump. It does sound pretty good if you're used to, you know, if you like bassy music, you know, let's not be mad at that. Here, let's try another one. Let's see. Oh, okay, he's going to get into some Christmas music. Let's try this right here. Day 8. Oh! Yo, I think I know what he sampled. On this. All right, I'm gonna have to see, man. I think I know what he sampled. I can't guarantee you, but I feel like I peeped some of what he sampled. You know, I'm feeling that. Let's try one more. Let's get on day 12. Let's get on that trap. Let's see what's cracking. When we play, when we play, when we play, so when we play, when we play, when we play, when we play, so when we play, when we play, when we play, so you better come through. All right, I think, what happened? Oh, wow, I think the battery died. Well, that's cool. That was cool. I definitely could tell that, I could definitely tell that, you know, this has some bass pumping through it. Now, these have been sitting over there for a while. That's why the battery might be a little low. Let's go ahead and get this one connected, and we'll see. We're going to play the same song, connect to it, and see if it sounds the same. All right, we connected to the other one. So let's just go ahead and we're going to play a little bit to make sure that they sound the same. Yeah. Okay, they're definitely definitely sound the same. So these are just, this is the same speaker, just with different design. I like this. I'm on my hip hop stuff. It's got the graffiti on there. I like the little unique design artwork on here. The red is not bad. I like the colors. I already know who these are gonna go to. I got these gonna be some good gifts. Let's do this. Let's compare them to the Oontz and see exactly what's good. We got the here. Let's do this. Get that out of here. Now we got the original Oontz Angle 3. Here, let's turn that on. Let's turn that on. Let me connect to that. All right, pull up the homie Yeti Jones. He's actually local, man. He's actually in Austin. He's got a album of Christmas beats. This one's pretty dope. It's featuring DMX when DMX did the Santa Claus is Coming to Town. So let's just try this and see what's good. We're gonna play it here on the Oontz. Let's make sure we got max volume. Make sure we got max volume.
So I printed the lyrics of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and would you lyrics of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and would you?
I know the lyrics.
Would you do us the honors of spitting Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
Okay, that was the Oontz Angle. Let me switch it up to the A10. Okay, now we got the A10. Let's try it from there. Alright, I'll say this. I noticed that the Oontz at first seemed a bit louder. It seems overall louder, but I think the sound was much better coming from the Mifa. You could tell by that snare, that loud snare. Over here it was kind of tinny. It was like tint, tint. Over here it actually hit fuller, a little bit harder. It made me feel more like what it was supposed to sound like. And like I said, it was louder over here. But, compared to this, it definitely had a more full sound. Listening at full volume, maybe I wouldn't suggest either one of these. But I think I kind of enjoyed it more on this. Here, let's switch to the Oontz Angle 3 Plus. Here, let's see. All right, so we switched to the Angle 3 Plus. Let me go to a beat that I know pretty well. This is the Stadiums. You've heard it in both of my Oontz Angle 3, reviews. Let's go ahead and play this. This is by the homie Bozak Morris, and let me see what's good. Let me make sure I got full volume. Man, okay, we're gonna try it. Let's switch to the Mifa. Let's see. Okay. right. That was pretty interesting. Like I said, I didn't hear anything majorly significant that would say one is better than the other. I think this one definitely had a little more overall volume. I don't know if it sounded much better, but both of them sounded pretty straight in the whole budget, $30 or around that range. I definitely think you really can't go wrong with either one. I like the original Oontz when I picked it up. I like the Plus even more. I use the Plus more now than this one, but I could definitely see using either one of these and getting pretty much the same, love out of it. So, not to say one is necessarily better, but for the purposes of this review, I definitely think you can't go wrong with either. But, one thing that I will say is if you could pick one of these up while I have that code flashing that you could save some money, that might be something to think about. A couple dollars here and there goes a long way during the holiday season. All right. Let me know what you think. Did one sound better? Did these sound good compared to that? Or what? I want to know what you guys think down in the comments. I'll leave links to everything. Make sure y'all leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm going to get up out of here. Holla at your boy.